We are a manufacturer of aluminum forged wheels. We make the best quality and the best looking forged wheels that you can buy. Our wheels are made out of 6061 T6 forged aluminum. Guarantee every product that we sell. You just get a different level of quality that you're not going to get with anybody else. That's what we're about. We have all capabilities in-house. From the time my pencil hits the paper and I start designing to shipped out the door. CNC machining. We do all the finishing operations on the wheel. We do polishing in-house with our CNC polishing machine. We do the powder coating in-house as well now. So we have control over every aspect of the design, production, packaging, and shipment of the wheel.